Okay, we got it all ground down. I think I showed you that video. I got all this sheet metal I had cut up. We're gonna tack up this side, and I'm gonna flip the whole bed over and then weld in the braces because it's really hard to get that area by the back of the bed square because it's so rotted away. And then I'll weld up the braces on the other side and then flip it back over and weld it all together. So here we go. And that's it. We're all tacked up. I think it looks pretty good. Now we just got to flip it over and do the other side.